Hey tribe, you're welcome to my channel. This is Garbie of Garbie'Signature. If you're new here, welcome. I'm excited to be on your screen today, and you know, as usual, that whenever you see me with my wig cap, it's time for a wig review. So today I'm going to be reviewing this Amazon hair. It comes in this Ziploc bag. As you can see, what does it say? The best design, the best you. It comes in this Ziploc bag, and it's an Amazon Air wig. It's the Wavy wig synthetic short black costume wig in 14 inches, and we're literally getting this out together. Okay, it comes with this scrunchie to give it some weight. It comes with this black air net. I'm just gonna take this off. Oh, okay. Why is it clinging to me? Why is it clinging to me? Oh, I think I've got some static going on, so let's just put this over there, okay? So this is the hair. Wavy wig synthetic short black costume hair in 14 inches, and look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I actually just did this makeup on my Instagram live, so if you're not following me on my Instagram or my social media, kindly go follow me right now at Garbie'Signature, because just click the subscribe button. I've got a lot of details going on my Instagram and you don't want to miss out. Back to this wig. It's a bob wig. It's a bob wavy wig, and this is it. This is what it looks like. It's an Amazon wig, and trust me when I say it's pretty affordable. It's below $20. It's actually $18.99. Yeah, for this wig, $18.99. Let me just, you know, put it on and see if it's actually worth the price. But for $18.99, you're getting a good deal. The inside of the wig looks like so. It comes with just one wig comb in front and another wig comb at the back. Got the elastic headband to fit you and hook it like so to the back. Doing the same thing over here, and I'm just going to pop it up right on my hair to see if I like it enough. So putting in the wig cap brush, and I'm going to do the same thing in the front. Place getting my fluffy brush, I'm just going to brush it lightly. It's not so bad. Look at the waves. I love the waves. That's one thing. This hair is from an Amazon vendor, and for Amazon hair, for cheap Amazon hair, I think this passes the MAC. Not a bad idea. If you love it, if it's your style, you literally should go get one. So I'm just, you know, running my brush through this to awaken the hair, and this is what we've got. So look, let me show you the back. Here's the back. Here's the front. So I'm not so keen on this. I'll give this hair, like, let's say a 7/10. It's beautiful. I love the way it's fluffy. You should totally get it. It's below $20. It's a good buy. It's a very good quality. It's synthetic hair. Did I remind you about that? Yeah, so you know that with synthetic hair you don't expect much, but I love the fact that it's got sharp ends, so it's giving me the vibe of it's not going to get tangled easily, and that's a good thing. But overall, I'm going to give this hair an 8, just because it's not an human hair, but for a synthetic, it's an 8, and it's really giving the vibes. Like, it looks amazing. In my description box, I'm going to drop the link to the website for where you can shop this hair and get even more discount off your purchase. And mind you, this is an Amazon hair, so for Amazon finds, it's not bad. This is not going to be my category of worst reviewed hair. It's pretty doing the job it said it was going to do. It's so sleek, like, it's so sleek. I used to be a lover of fringe, but I'm not right now, so it's giving me some vibes, but girl, I feel like I'm auntie. I know I want to be forever young, so but and we come to the end of this video. If you like this video, kindly drop your comments in the comment section. I want to know what you think about this hair, and if you're going to be purchasing it, I want to know. Kindly leave a comment in the comment section. thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on your post notification bell so you're one of the first people that know when I have a new video going on. Do not forget that I'm going to be doing a very huge, massive giveaway on my channel, so you want to be an active subscriber in order to be able to benefit from this awesomeness. Till next time, bye guys.